Hi everyone, so I'm Virte, so I'm a professor here at VUB B-Phot, and I'm going to make a very short review of what happened in my group in 2023. So first of all, we had a very nice presence, very strong presence at Clio Europe, so one of the top leading conference in photonics in Europe. And so we had 8 contributions, we had a blast showcasing our research and discovering also what other people worked on during the last years, and so it was a very nice time for us. A bit later in the year, in September, so Martin Skenderas, one of our PhD students, successfully defended his PhD. So he did great at the private and the public defense, and it was really a nice time for him to finish his PhD. It was a collaboration with the Fiber Group, and what is also very interesting for us is that we tried to continue this work that was initiated by Martin, and we recently got a new funding from the FWO to continue this work collaborating with our Fiber Group colleagues. Very recently, a postdoc started with us, so Tushar Malika, so she will join us for all ongoing projects in our groups, and we are really looking forward to all the great work that we're going to do together. So all in all, I mean, it's going quite great, I must say, and I'm really looking forward to 2024.